Aerials. Operating or operated overhead on elevated cables or rails. Existing or growing in the air rather than on the ground or in water. Lacking in substance. This is pretty interesting definition considering all the stuff we're going to take a look at in this video. Here you can see the clouds, and they are obviously cloaked ships. There are plenty of demon faces everywhere throughout this shot, and ships. I mean, it's crazy. You can see in every corner of that, in that picture, a ship or something being cloaked. And that's just crazy. You can see the faces, the ships, the buckyball. Look at that little dot right there. What is that? Little perfect circle. Buckyball? How come we don't know what buckyballs are? And how come we're not told? So, I mean, after watching Demon Hunters videos, it's the demon faces are the ships, are the cloak ships. So where you can spot perfect looking faces, I mean, for a cloud, you know, obvious eyes, obvious nose, well, that's a ship. And then look at this alligator with his buckyball, bug eyes, and there's another one right next to it. See those? They're very similar looking. I mean, you see the Michelin Man's face in there or whatever. There's a little weird looking kangaroo ship. That's what I thought it was, I don't know. But moving forward, I was at work here, and I looked up at the sky and realized that, well, I'm surrounded by cloaked ships. They're everywhere. And in this picture, I get the perfect dragon head. I'll show you. It's coming up. Can you see how that looks like the one on the left looks like a smaller version of the one on the right? Similar patterns give them away, because their ships look the same. Check out this dragon head.
Sorry, Snowflake. Did I offend you? Are you angry? Are you angry? Sorry.
Let's take our skies back. I mean, let's at least make sure that everybody knows about these things, because they're there. They are there. Those are not natural clouds. We live in really strange days, so let's get this word out. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. I thought, I should put this out there, and I'll work on my presenting skills, but I mean, we're in this together, so I hope you found that little clip of me earlier funny, because I thought it was funny. Don't get pissed off at the truth, you know? That's what I'm saying. Are you angry? Are you triggered, Snowflake? And I close it out with a picture of my sister's disgusted face, because that is how I feel that is the face I make as I look up at these clouds. Thank you for watching.